All right, here's what we got. Pitch this way, that thing's dead. It may not look like it, but it's a pretty steep hill over here. But I checked with Sharon on this stretch right here.
Oh my gosh, you did it!
I can't wait to get in it, baby.
You're not getting in with the fish.
What fish?
So Joe did it again. He surprised me. Are you surprised? Yeah. He brought me home a koi pond for Mother's Day. I mean, I didn't ask for it, but I kind of like the idea. So, of course, I'm going to clean it out. I got rid of most of the big chunks. Now I'm going to take the pressure washer and finish it out. But yeah, I can just see them swimming around. I could put rocks in the bottom there, maybe some greenery. That'll look really pretty back there. I like that idea, Joe. Thank you. Joe, look at that. The wildlife love it already. Oh, this is going to be such a cool koi pond. All right, let's get you to a different home for now.
All right, first thing in our mission today, Sharon's cleaning out the tub. I gotta pull that, it was a peach tree. And she accidentally trimmed it too far. She was just trying to trim it, you know, for the annual trimming, and she took off a little too much, and so now last year it tried to sprout a few, and this year nothing. So getting rid of that's going to give me some maneuverability with the tractor, because it's a little bit tight spacing back in here, and I got to see if I can, when I'm carrying this hot tub, if I can get it in there. I'm going to look at these sprouts just one more time, but yeah, nah, there's nothing green, and it's already almost mid-May, so I gotta come up here with that hot tub like this. I was maybe gonna shave this a little bit. Oh, there's some T-posts in the ground here we gotta get out. Let me get that done first, and we'll check back in. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, here's what we got. I don't know if you can see, but we pitch this way, that thing's dead. So I'm gonna push that. I'm gonna regrade this a little bit. I might bring in some dirt because I want a ramp right up here to get to this pad. And then this needs to be backfilled, but one step at a time. So let's get rid of that. I'll grade this and bring some dirt in. Not look like it, but it's a pretty steep hill over here, but I might not need to bring in dirt. I was going to, or I might bring some in here to get a little lawn back in here, but I'll rake all this out first. I checked with Sharon on this stretch right here if she wants dirt or rock. If you put dirt in there and put a little lawn, you got more weed management in that. So she's like, you can put stone in there. So I'm gonna bring some more stone in and run this stone around, and she could put some decorative rocks in there if she'd like. So another load or two of stone. I'm about out of it anyways, but that's why I keep a little backup. Alright, got some touch-up work to do here yet. Alright, I got this pretty well lined out. I'm out of stone. But it's enough for this project. It's all raked flat. This will all settle. I got this ramp down here. That's why there's a little more stone on this side. So even though that hill's going to be uneven coming up, when my tires hit this, I'll be pretty close to level for this. So we'll see if we can figure out how to lift that tub. Alright, while I'm waiting for Sharon, I'm hitting this field, third pass. This is a brand new one that I made last year. I cut it twice so far. She's still power washing, so I'll hit it for a third time. Alright, got this knocked out. Got a couple strips left. Looking a lot better. One little move.
Alright, I got the koi pond all cleaned out. Look at that, all nice and shiny and new looking. Oh, them fish are gonna love it. Thanks again, hon. And I didn't realize that he got me a cover too. Probably for like in, I don't know, probably in winter. You know, so the water doesn't freeze. So thanks for thinking of that. Alright, I found a spot that I wanted him to move it to, so that's what's next.
Alright, she's wrapped up. Go grab some lunch. And maybe get the hot tub done today. That would be nice. We'll see. But nonetheless, good Friday. Sharon's off today, so productive day so far. Yes, yes, girl.
We'll see if these fish are really worth it. I should probably stand back a little farther. Hang on. Alright, it slid up and over that electrical thing.
Okay, so we're gonna fast forward. It took us several tries to get this right. You can see I'm kind of bending in even though there's a steel frame in there. So I'll skip that stuff, get this reset until we can finally get it moving.
Hey Jeff, we kind of broke the sides. Well, let's put it back down. Alright, some minor adjustments on the straps and let's try this again. Take 3. We don't have all that far to go, but it's gonna seem like a long ways. That's for sure. Okay, maybe we're not going yet. All right. Was laying on one of his trailer hooks. Hang on, fishies. Your new home's coming. Alright, we get to do it again. We got it off the trailer. He's just got to change the direction so that we put it in the direction we want. where the drain is and where the electrical panel is. Take 10.
All right, let me give you an update on this budget project. So I paid $800 for this thing, knowing it's got a leak in it. I paid roughly $1,200 for the concrete pad here. So far I'm into it for $2,000, knowing it's got a leak, but we'll see. Stay tuned to the channel if you want to follow it. We'll document all of this, but let's see if we could just get it in place first without destroying the darn things, as I almost did a couple times already.
Oh my gosh, you did it!
Cows.
We gotta just shimmy it around a little bit.
Yeah. Sketchy. Oh, here we did it.
Wow.
High five.
High five. High five.
I can't wait to get in it, baby. Woo! Yes.
You're not getting in with the fish.
What fish?
The koi fish.
This ain't a koi
It's a
pond.
koi pond.
No.
You put rocks in the butt. See all these little areas you put
That's
rocks
not
in.
why I got it. It's for medicinal purposes.
Well, you're gonna be swimming with the fish then.
Oh, I would not have gone through all that work if I'd have known you wanted it for
I
koi
wouldn't have cleaned it all if I'd have known it was just for your darn hot tub.
pond. Man alive. See if me and you could shimmy it. Look at that, almost like it belonged there. Very nice. Perfect. On a budget. I like it. Got a nice view of that ravine there. Time to clean that up a little more.